What if the key to fighting climate change isn't just technology, but nature herself? From the Scottish Highlands to the African Sahel, a quiet revolution is underway. Rewilding, the process of restoring ecosystems to their natural state. In Yellowstone National Park, the reintroduction of wolves did more than balance the food chain. It transformed entire landscapes. Rivers ran cleaner, forests regrew, wildlife returned. Across the Sahara's edge, Africa's Great Green Wall stretches thousands of kilometers, planting hope and trees across once barren land. It's cooling the climate, creating jobs and anchoring communities. In Europe, bison roam once more in Romania and Poland, reviving ancient forests and boosting biodiversity. And in coastal Asia, mangrove forests are making a comeback. These natural seawalls absorb carbon, reduce flooding, and protect millions from rising tides. Rewilding isn't just healing the earth, it's giving us a blueprint for resilience. Restoring nature may be the most natural solution to an unnatural problem. Rewilding isn't a dream, it's already happening. The question is, will we let it grow? Please, like, comment below, and let's discuss this.